Nagala tayo sa auntie. Meron na alakon. After 30 minutes na. After 1 hour. We had that seaweeds auntie. Aragan.
Agaragan?
Yes, aragan.
Ikaw ay gumana.
Ito nagalak auntie. Ito nagalak aragan. Ito yun. Ano ba kaya dyan? Ano ba? Dami. Daan. Una yun ang iubing pa. Ito kaya ako. Ito na yun. Meta. Oh! Butang datak pa. May buyod. Daan na gitu duman. Anak ko. Medyo ni kamit din. Nagalaan. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
What kind of fish is one?
That one?
Yeah.
Salmon.
Is that salmon?
Yeah, salmon.
But it's white salmon, is it?
It's not Tasmanian. It's just Australian salmon. So.
Oh, that's fresh one. You can eat raw. Then.
Maybe not.
What? Nakadadot na alak na si Aragan. Ah, diba? Tawas dato. May sama. Good adon.
Well, you've done all right.
Look at adon.
Who's this one? You're making a picture.
No, Vicky.
Yep.
Oh, there's an auntie. Look at adon.
Yummy, Mom?
Yeah, it's yummy, Nani. It's yummy. We're gonna cook it and then we can have for eat. You like to eat this one? Ooh, look at this.